Yes, good afternoon children. Today we are going to learn our India's physical features. One of the five physical features are there. The India has been divided into five main physical features. First one is the northern mountains, the top of the India, from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. The northern mountains has extended. Those are called the Himalayas. Already we learned about the Himalayas. The south of the Himalayas, these are the Himalayas. And from Punjab to Assam, northern plains. And now we are going to learn this Rajasthan. Rajasthan has a largest state of India. In this Rajasthan, this is located in northwest of India. This in the Rajasthan, a great large desert is located. How the desert has formed? Because of very less rainfall. And without vegetation, no vegetation also. There is very less rainfall or sometimes no rainfall. The sand will become very desolate. The desert is a desolate area of sand. With very little or no vegetation, no rainfall. Okay children, yesterday we started this lesson now, how the climate and vegetation and life in the desert. There are some small hills in the sand, desert. Some small hills in the sand. Small hills of sand in the desert are called sand dunes. Small hills of sand in the desert are called sand dunes. It is not a fixed hills. It changes from place to another place, one place to another place. Why? Because it has formed by the blowing wind in the desert. The sand dunes formed by the blowing wind of sand in the desert are called sand dunes. Okay children? And one more topic in this lesson. Water is scarce in a desert. There is no water, then only the place has become desert area. Water is scarce in a desert. However, at some places the underground water comes up to the surface through a spring. Around such places, trees like date palms, kikar and babul can grow. Such a green lush area in a desert is called an oasis. Here it is not a pond or river or lake. It is a small stream, a small amount of water comes under the surface of the earth by the spring. Okay children, this small area of water in the desert, this water comes under the surface of the earth. Okay, surface through a spring. ఇది ఒక చిన్న వాటర్ గుంతలా ఉంటుంది. This area of water in the desert is called an oasis. This green, మరి ఎక్కడైతే వాటర్ ఉంటుందో అక్కడ ఏవైనా పిచ్చి మొక్కలు, the greenery will be grows near the water. Whatever it may be, greenery will be grow. సరౌండింగ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద వాటర్. అట్లాంటి ఏరియాలో ద వాటర్, ద ప్లేస్ విత్ వాటర్ ఇన్ ద డెజర్ట్, దేర్ సమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ట్రీస్ క్యాన్ గ్రో. దోస్ ఆర్ డేట్ పామ్స్. లయన్ డేట్స్ మనం తింటున్నాం కదా ఇష్టంగా, అవి ఎక్కడ? ఇట్ ఈస్ గ్రోన్ ఇన్ ద డెజర్ట్. Then only it will give more heat to our body. It is very good for our health in the winter season. Any season it is very good. బాగున్నాయి కదా, మంచిది, హెల్తీ అని ఫుల్ తినేసారనుకోండి, డైరెక్ట్లీ గోయింగ్ బాత్రూమ్. నో? ఓకే. దెన్ it will grow near the water where it is from the desert. It will come from the earth surface through a spring. Surrounding this water, the greenery will be grown like date palms, kikar and babul. And this green lush area of water in the desert are called an oasis. An oasis. The green lush area in the desert. The green lush area of water in the desert are called an oasis. An oasis. Due to shortage of water and lack of fertile soil, the population in this area is also very small. Can we live in the desert? No. Due to shortage of water, there is no water. Where is the plenty of water, we can live very happily. Why? Because to keep ourselves and our surroundings, to keep neat and clean, then we want water. Here in the desert there is no water, lack of water, shortage of water, scarcity of water. Due to shortage of water and lack of fertile soil, if there is no water, the sand will not become fertile. Due to shortage of water and lack of fertile soil, the population in this area is very small, very less. The population in the desert is very less. Highly populated areas ante plains. Highly populated areas, plains. The very less populated areas are desert. Why? Because there is shortage of water and lack of fertile soil. There is no fertile soil to grow crops. Why? Because if we grow crops, we can feed ourselves. We can feed ourselves. There is no fertile soil and there is no water. The population is very less in the desert areas. Many people in the desert lead a nomadic life. Nomadic life means the people who move from one place to another. The people who move from one place to another. They are not fixed for years or months also. They may be stay for 1 week or 10 days, more than 10 days or 15 days. The people who are moving from one place to another place in search of food for them and their cattle also. Those people are called nomads. Who are they? Nomads. The people move from one place to another place in search of food and water for themselves and their cattle also. Those people are called nomads. They are not living there permanently. They are living for 15 days or more than 1 hour, 1 month. Alanti people matrame they can stay near the oasis. Near the oasis. Why? Because they can spend a little bit days. Okay na? They called many people in the desert lead a nomadic life. Nomadic means moving from one place to another place. They can only stay in the desert for a few days, and after a few days they can move from this place. They only spend some time in this desert area. Many people in the desert lead a nomadic life. Nomadic means moving from one place to another place. Moving from one place to another. They are called banjaras or nomads. nomads. Banjaras అంటే లంబాడీస్ అంటారు చూడండి, వాళ్ళు కానీ nomads కానీ. The camel is the most common means of transport here. Camels walk easily on the sand without drinking water for a long time. It is also called the sheep of the desert. Then nomads. Nomads means the people who move from one place to another place. They only lead their life in the desert for a few days. They are leading their life in the desert, and then while they are leading their life in the desert, the camel is very, very, very important animal for transport them and as well as their goods. Why? Because మనకు బెంజ్ కార్ ఉన్నా కానీ we cannot take Benz car in the desert. We cannot aeroplane also, helicopter also. Aeroplane we can, helicopter also we cannot. బస్సు కూడా తీసుకెళ్ళలేం, కాలినడకన కూడా ఎక్కువ వెళ్ళలేం. Only the transportation is the source of transport in the desert is only the camel. Why? Because it has a long feet. ఇంత ఎత్తులో ఉంటుంది, అది ఇసుకలో ఇంత పెద్ద కాలు పెట్టినా దానికి కొంచెం వరకే ఇసుక వస్తుంది, మనకైతే ఇక్కడ వరకైనా వస్తుంది, అంత ఇసుక ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ద క్యామెల్ ఇస్ ద ఓన్లీ ద సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ ఇన్ ద డెజర్ట్. ఇట్ కెన్ క్యారీ ద పీపుల్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ దేర్ గూడ్స్ while they are leading and moving in the desert, their life in the desert. Camel can carry all the goods of the people and them also. Then camel is very useful in desert. It is also called the ship of the desert. Ship of the desert, not our common ship. Ship of the desert means camel. Camel is the ship of the desert. Ship of the desert. What is that about? Camel. Camel is the ship of the desert. Okay, children? I think you can understand up to here, no? Okay. Here in the page number 22, they are given some names, jumbled letters. If we correct it, we can get some names of the Rajasthan. Names of the Rajasthan state. Okay. First one, the name of some important cities of Great Indian Desert. ఈ Great Indian Desert, it is in Rajasthan. అందులో ఉన్న cities యొక్క names ఇచ్చారు. Desert are jumbled here. Write them correctly. First one, ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? If you are having textbook, it is easy to find, no? Better to purchase textbooks to understand better. Okay, first one is Jaisalmer. If you have textbooks, you can write them. Page number 22. First one, Jaisalmer. Second one, Jaipur. Here they are given some letters in these boxes. Here they are given some letters jumbled here. If we correct it, we can get some names of the names of the cities of Great Indian Desert. First one, Aaisljarmrem. If we correct it, we can get Jaisalmer. And the second one is, here also jumbled letters are there. If we correct it, it is Jaipur. And third one, Ajmer. Third one, Ajmer. If you have books, you can copy, children. Ajmer. And fourth one is Jodhpur. Fourth one is Jodhpur. Okay, children, once again I am repeating here. Here some words are given here as a jumbled. If we correct it, we can get some names of the cities from the Great Indian Desert. First one is the Jaisalmer, second one is Jaipur, third one is Ajmer, fourth one is Jodhpur. If you have having textbooks, otherwise copy in your rough notes. It is better to whenever you want to read it. Okay, children, I think so. Okay, next we can go. Our government has been making efforts to turn the desert into a green land. The only river that drains into the desert is the Luni. It is a seasonal river, therefore water from the Sutlej and its tributaries is being diverted to the desert through a long canal. This is called the Indira Gandhi Canal, Rajasthan Canal. Okay, children, the government has been making effort to make this desert as a green land. ఈ రాజస్థాన్ కూడా ఒక గ్రీన్ ల్యాండ్ లాగా అంటే పంట పొలాలకు పండించే విధంగా. ఒకవేళ పంట పొలాలు పండినట్లయితే ద పాపులేషన్ ఆల్సో కెన్ బి ఇంక్రీజ్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ బికమ్ గ్రీనరీ. When the water is plenty of water is there, the land will become a green land. Then how it is possible? Here it is from Rajasthan, from Punjab. It is so many rivers are flowing from the northern plains. So many rivers are flowing from the northern plains. Here it is in Punjab. Some parts of Punjab also the Great Indian Desert has located. From Punjab lo ఏముంది సట్లెజ్ రివర్. From the Sutlej river, the canal has been built to supply the water to the Great Indian Desert. From the Sutlej river, the water can be sent through the canal from the Sutlej river to the Great Indian Desert. That canal is called a Indira Gandhi Canal. These Rajasthan get water from the Sutlej river to make that land green. And the only river that drains to the desert is Luni also. And it is a seasonal river. Akkada Luni river okati undi, seasonal river. Therefore, water from Sutlej river and its tributaries is being diverted to the desert through a long canal. This canal is called a Indira Gandhi Canal. మనకి పంట పొలాలకి కూడా కెనాల్ కట్టిస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, కాలువలలోనే మనం మోటార్లు పెట్టుకుంటారు కదండి, టు సప్లై ద వాటర్ టు అవర్ ఫీల్డ్. దిస్ డెజర్ట్ ఈజ్ getting water from Sutlej river from the Punjab. This is called a Indira Gandhi Canal or the Rajasthan Canal. ఇక్కడ ఒక రివర్ ఉంది, ఏది లుని రివర్. కానీ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ పెరెన్నియల్ రివర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ సీజనల్ రివర్. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ గ్రీన్ ల్యాండ్ ఉండడానికి దిస్ ఈస్ ద Sutlej Indira Gandhi Canal. It is connected the water supply from the Sutlej river through the Indira Gandhi Canal to the Great Indian Desert. Activity 2. Imagine, here it is. Imagine that you are living in a desert. If you are living in a desert, you keep moving from one place to another. Just like you are moving from one place to another, just like nomads, write the names of 6 things you would carry with you. నువ్వు ఒకవేళ డెజర్ట్లో ఉన్నట్లయితే, ఒక ప్లేస్ నుండి ఇంకో ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటే, వాట్ ఆర్ ద 6 things you want to lead the life in desert? First one, we need water, and the second one, camel, and third one, food, fourth one, clothes, and fifth one, tent, sixth one, what you want? You can imagine what you want. Okay? And one more is next, up to here we learn about the Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert we learn. Again I will repeat about the desert. What is a desert? A desert is a desolate area of sand. Desolate area of sand with little or no rainfall as well as vegetation. In our India also a great Indian desert is located. Where it is located? It is located in the northwest part of in the west side of India in Rajasthan. It is located in India. It is a very big desert. Kabatti dinki Great Indian Desert. And it has name the Thar Desert. And in Rajasthan, so many important states also there. Important cities, not states. In Rajasthan state, so many important states are there. Those are Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Ajmer, Jodhpur, Jaipur. Jaipur has one great good name. What it is? Pink City. Why? Because in Jaipur, so many buildings, all the buildings are made with red stone. It is look like a pink color city. It means it is called a pink city. Jaipur. It is in Rajasthan state. Most of this part of the Rajasthan has become desolate area of sand because of it not get heavy rainfall. It will get less rainfall. It means there is a less population. Okay, children. And in the desert area, sometimes the wind can blow very high speed. When the wind blow on high speed, the sand of the desert also fly from one place to another place to forming as a small hills of sand. Those small hills of sand in the desert are called sand dunes. These are not fixed at the same place. It will be shifted from place to place. It is depend upon the direction of blowing wind. The direction of blowing wind. Okay? And what is an oasis? There is in the desert area, there is a very less rainfall, scarcity of water. It means very less water. Very less water in the desert. Very less rain. Very less and scarcity of water. In the desert, the place where the water comes under the surface of the earth through a spring. ఏమంటారు, ఒక రంధ్రం పడి దాంట్లో నుండి భూమి పైకి వాటర్ వచ్చేస్తే అలా ఆ చుట్టుపక్కల మొత్తం వాటర్ ఒక చిన్న కొలను లాగా తయారవుతుంది. The water comes under the surface of the earth through a spring. It is called an oasis. What is an oasis? The water comes from the earth's surface through a spring in the desert is called an oasis. Near this oasis, whatever it may be, greenery can be grown. In this greenery, most of we can find date palms and kikar and babool. Date palms, kikar and babool. We can find this type of greenery near the oasis because this can be grow with little less water also. With very less water also it can be grown. Like that plants only can be grown near the oasis in the desert. The green lush area of water in the desert are called an oasis. A green lush area with water in the desert is called an oasis. Okay, and what is this nomads? Who are nomads? The people, the people in the, because due to shortage of water. Due to shortage of water and the lack of fertility of the soil, lack of fertile soil, the population is very less. The people cannot live permanently in this place. The only some people can live in this place. The people who lead the nomadic life. Nomadic life means the people move from one place to another place in search of food for themselves and their cattle. Those people called nomads. Those people are called nomads. Those only can lead some life in the desert areas. For they are not living for permanent time. They are not living for permanent. They are only for some time, some days, a few days they are living. Those people are called nomads. While they are leading their life in this, while they are living in the desert, they can use only camel. Why? Because camel has a long feet which can easily walk in the sand, and it can live without water for few days. If we use any other animal to carry loads, or 2 or 3 days, it can become very weak because there is no water to drink. It means the camel can use as the ship of the desert to carry their loads as well as themselves also. Why? Because the camel have long feet. It can walk easily in the sand. Sand అంటే ఇంత మట్టి కాదమ్మా, ఇంత ఎత్తులో మట్టి. ఒక్కోసారి మనం మునిగిపోయేటంత మట్టి కూడా ఉంటుంది, మనము నడవలేము. అలాంటి దాంట్లో the camel can easily walk in the sand and it can live without water for few days. Then only in the desert, most people are using camel while they are living, traveling and leading their life in the desert. Only camel is very useful. Then it is called a ship of the desert. Ship of the desert. And now the government also taking some steps to take the desert area also as a greenland. How it is possible to supply the water? To supply the water, then only this desert area will become as a greenland. It means the government has taken some steps to take this desert area as a greenland. They are taking water from the Punjab, the Satluj river. From the Satluj river, they are taking water from a great canal. It is the Indira Gandhi canal and also called as Rajasthan canal, which is supplying water from the Satluj river to the Rajasthan in the desert. It is a Rajasthan canal or Indira Gandhi canal. Thank you children to listen in my class.